If you get that perspective, it can actually change your retirement years, maybe even save your own health.
Stay with us, because in the next few minutes, we'll show you why retiring abroad might be the best option for peace, purpose, and freedom, and how you can start building step by step. Here's the hard truth. Retirement in America is becoming unattainable. Let's put it into perspective.
That same $700 a month in some of the countries of low-cost living can cover food and rent and even healthcare in some cases. And beyond the numbers, you will find calmer communities, slower days, and conversations that do not end up in fights.
Imagine mornings spent walking to a seaside market, evenings at a cafe with neighbors who welcome you, not argue with you, and retirement where politics doesn't dominate every conversation and stress doesn't steal your joy.
Yeah. And guys, if that vision speaks to you, hit subscribe right now, because Smart Retirement Abroad is all about helping you plan smarter, to retire sooner, and live freer.
So what if the cure for America's divisions isn't another debate, but buying a boarding pass? What if travel itself could heal us?
Because travel does teach you quickly. People everywhere, you find out, they want the same things. They want safety, they want family, they want good food, they want joy. And once you have broken bread with someone, it is impossible to hate them. And that is what we tell people. Do travel. Even if you are not ready to retire just yet, go. See, learn, and the tool that you will find out that you will need to use the most and learn from the most is respect. Respect for humanity.
And here's the connection to retirement. Abroad, at least in many countries, you don't just stretch your money. You step into communities where respect is still alive, where neighbors value you as a person, not as a political label.
Stick around, because next we will show you the math of retirement in America, which is not really mathing really correctly for many Americans at this point, and why retiring abroad can be possibly your smartest move. But actually abroad, in some of the countries, that same $700 takes you so much further. Rent in Portugal or Albania, a fraction of US prices. And healthcare, it's a fraction too, and your quality of life actually improves instead of shrinking.
And instead of stress, you get sunshine, community, and time.
So picture yourself walking to the market, buying bread for $1, stopping to talk with the neighbors who smile and don't argue, sitting outside late at night, hearing laughter instead of headlines. And that is the kind of lifestyle that your money can buy when moving abroad in some of these countries that we're mentioning.
Travel doesn't just change your view, it changes you. It doesn't just give you new sights, it gives you a new perspective.
That's right. And travel does make you more open-minded. It makes you more curious. You start listening more. You start even respecting more, not just other cultures, but even people that see the world differently than you.
Here in the US, politics is breaking friendships, families, neighborhoods. Abroad, we've seen something else.
And we've seen families and friends abroad still arguing about politics. They do have their own politics in their own countries. It does affect them, but it doesn't break their friendships and the families. They still hug each other at the end of the day. They still raise their cups to each other's good health, and they leave home together. So if you have ever felt exhausted by America's division, hit like right now.
Let's talk about the personal side of division, because it's not just headlines, it's our homes, our families.
And you have seen it possibly. Thanksgiving dinners are cut short, friends unfriending each other over Facebook, siblings do not speak anymore, and all because of politics?
And that's tragic, because retirement should be about gathering with people, not losing them.
But abroad, we have seen something very different. In Greece, for example, neighbors with totally different political views sat together at the dinner table at the taverna. They argued, yeah, for sure, and out loud, for sure. But by dessert time, they hugged each other, they laughed with each other, they raised their cups to each other's health. What's better than that?
So why do we here in America let politics destroy love? Abroad, people prove you can disagree and still love each other.
Yeah, and that is the gift of retirement abroad. It is not just affordable, but it is relational. It places you in communities that value connection over conflict, and especially over political conflict.
Imagine dinner in Spain with new friends. Nobody asks you how you voted, just asks about your family, your story, your dreams. That's the kind of community you can retire into.
So here's our challenge to you. Comment below with a first name, someone that you would love to sit with again, and leave the politics aside. Let's remind ourselves that people matter more than labels.
That's right. And while you're here, subscribe, because Smart Retirement Abroad is more than travel. It's about healing, about connection, about joy. Let's breathe for a moment, because if America is anything right now, it's loud, it's angry, and it's exhausting.
And our bodies cannot take that forever. forever. Stress does raise the blood pressure, it does steal sleep, it shortens your life. And your retirement years? Well, those were supposed to be the season of calm.
Abroad, calm isn't rare, it's normal. In Croatia, for example, retirees sit at cafes for hours talking about family, about daily life. And that's the biggest gift of retirement abroad. Yes, the money goes further. Yes, healthcare is cheaper, but the real treasure, calmness. Yes, a slower pace, a rhythm that restores you instead of drains you.
So think about it. Right now, America feels like a hurricane. The headlines, the bills, the arguments. And abroad, you can step outside of this storm. You can step into gentler skies, a slower living, and into peace.
And you don't need millions to claim that calm. You don't need to wait until 65. No, ordinary Americans are doing it, planning, courage, and you can do it too.
So you can take one step today. You go ahead and research a country. Write down what calm looks like to you.
And drop a comment right now. What's one thing that brings you calm? Music, a walk, a good meal perhaps? Imagine if that was the rhythm of your everyday.
You have worked too hard to let stress steal your retirement. You do deserve your calm. You do deserve your joy. And abroad, in many countries, you can have both. You don't know how many healthy years you will have in your retirement. So ask yourself, what do you want your retirement headlines to be looking like? So share your dream headline in the comments. Let's start replacing fear with actual vision. And do subscribe because we will show you how to make that real.
So here's the bottom line. You don't have to stay stuck in the storm. No. Retirement abroad gives you peace, affordability, and freedom.
And you do not need millions to do this, and you do not need to wait until you're 65. With smart planning, you can retire sooner, calmer, and healthier abroad.
Comment with your biggest retirement question. We'll answer.
Yes, we do look at your comments and we take our time to answer. You are valued to us. And do watch our other episodes. We do already cover cost of living abroad, the myths about retirement, and we provide answers to fears about this unknown idea of retiring abroad.
So click here or here or here, see our other episodes.
So click where you see it now.
And then start dreaming again. Start picturing the life you deserve. Calm, joy, freedom.
And abroad.
Yes, abroad. You can have all that abroad.
Yeah. Do subscribe and join us in this journey and let us build your smart retirement abroad together. We are Ella
and Kevin.
And this is
Smart Retirement Abroad.
Retirement isn't what it used to be. It's no longer just the finish line. It's a doorway.
And for those of us in our 50s and 60s, these are the go-go years. The years to move, to explore, to live,